We are just finished in the church, and then we have lunch, and then we done some shopping. Excuse me. Sorry, my asthma is playing off, guys. And then I'm going to say Fred. There's a car wash here. This is the car wash in Campbelltown. I haven't got enough subscriber. Please, people, subscribe me. I'm still got 400 to go. 400 more before I am in monetize, and of course on the YouTube. But every day it's getting add up. I'm so happy. Because all this money, if the Facebook will pay me, this is only go back to the Philippines. So I can help lots of the people there in the Philippines. Ever that I'll get really good, you know, been really good on the YouTube. And of course, still in the Facebook, guy. I'm still in Reels. So thank you guys for watching. All these people still watching me in Reels, and then I still watching you guys on Reels. So Tifuta, I watch you in Reels, and you can watch me in my YouTube. And some people I watching in YouTube too, that they are in Reels. So just give and take, right, guys? Help each other. Today we went to fish market. I got some prawns, I got some fish, and I got some vegetable as well. Across the road there is a vegetable shop there. And then I got some bag of the chili, because I'm gonna make a pickled chili today. Because a lot of my worker, they like chili, as long as not too chili. So, today I did not buy new shoes, but instead I buy a new blouse. So I will upload that one, my new blouse. So I just did shopping today, just the blouse. Went for lunch, and went to the fish market, and went to the vegetable market, and and yeah, and that's all we did for today. And I went to buy some blouse. And right now we are stuck in the tropic. You alright, honey? It's itchy. So I'll see you on the next video, guys, when I'm making some chili, and also my prawns, and also the fish. I'm gonna cook it like a Filipino version, Filipino recipe. I don't know will perfect, but we'll see what happens. And that's my my contents today. And thank you for watching, guys. Please share my video, and if you saw this video, can you please subscribe me, so I can help. The more subscriber, the more I can help the really poor people in the Philippines. I got no food, no clothes, just buying by just every day. So I've been helping a lot of the people in the Philippines. No clothes, no house, no water, no electricity, so very much nothing. That's me. I always want to help people that I can help with my little money, with my own salary from work, not from the Facebook, not from the YouTube, not yet. Because I get paid from Reels and the Facebook, but it's not enough to I can help more people in the Philippines. So I thought, why not? I'll do a YouTube, see if I can make some money in YouTube, and I can help a lot of people sick and hungry in the Philippines. So please subscribe me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Right now we are stuck in the traffic.